What's up, nation? We're starting a new project today. We are going to be doing a project on a B4, and it's what it is we bought a used car at the RC track last night, and we are going to completely tear it apart and rebuild it and show you step by step of the things we do to it, hopefully showing that it's okay to buy a used car and that they can still compete. And what we'll plan on doing is, first step is we're going to completely tear the car apart, every single nut, bolt, everything, to make sure that everything is okay, the parts that are on the car that we can use. The car is really rough, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. So the first video of the series is we're going to tear it apart. So check this out. Okay, this is the car that we bought. It was $35, and I figured that if we couldn't make a good race car out of it, that we could use it for parts. That would be well worth the investment of just parts alone. So what we're going to do is tear it all apart and see what's good and what's not good, what we got to replace to build it into a race car. So we will tear it apart, and of course we will do it to the coolest band ever, Zebrahead. So check this out.
You don't know it yet. Got a 6-string best friends is with the broken neck. Wanna make my mark, change the world with this flow, but all this doubt in my head it won't let me go.
Lock my door and shut out all the world surrounding me. Yeah,
let me go.
The problems and the pressures caused by insecurities.
Get up, let the good times roll. Get up, take my heart and my soul. Get up, let the good times roll. On and on and on and on and on.
Feel like everybody else just needs to see through different eyes. From the outside looking in, we shout the anthem of our lives.
Come on and let me
just
go.
like everybody else, I feel the pain each time I try, but I fight the bitter end to shout the anthem of our lives. The anthem of our lives.
I got a heartache, she's my insecurity. Got all these words on the tip of my tongue that escape me. I wanna break out, carpe diem, I know, but all the doubt in my head it won't
Just
let
feel
me
when I
go.
find my own direction on this busy one-way street, where
Let
all
me
the
go.
influential people never bother helping me.
Get up, let the good times roll. Get up, take my heart and my soul. Get up, let the good times roll. On and on and on and on and
Feel
on.
like everybody else just needs to see through different eyes. From the outside looking in, we shout the anthem of our lives.
Come on and let me
Just
go.
like everybody else, I feel the pain each time I try, but I fight the bitter end to shout the anthem of our lives.
This is the anthem out to all the misfits. If you feel you don't belong, if you don't give a shit about authority, about majority, about conformity, shout it out. Let us go, 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 let us go. Get up, let the good times roll.
Everybody else needs to see through different eyes. From the outside looking in, we shout the anthem of our lives. Just like everybody else, I feel the pain each time I try, but I fight the bitter end to shout the anthem of our lives.
Come on and let me
Feel
go.
like everybody else just needs to see through different eyes. From the outside looking in, we shout the anthem of our lives.
Come on and let me
Just
go.
like everybody else, I feel the pain each time I try, but I fight the bitter end to shout the anthem
And that's how we tore apart the car.